Scanning Electron Microscope is an instrument that produces a largely magnified image by using electrons instead of light to form image. In this electron microscope, a beam of electrons is produced at the top of the microscope by Electron Gun. After that, the electron beam follows vertical path through the microscope, which is held within a vacuum. Then, the beam travels through electromagnetic field and lenses, which focus the beam down toward the sample, and, once the beam hits the sample, electrons and X-rays are ejected from the sample. After that, detectors collect these X-rays, backscattered electrons and secondary electrons, and convert them into a signal that is sent to a screen similar to a television screen to produce the final three-dimensional image, as presented in the next slide. In details, Electron Gun, placed on the top of the system and used to produce electron beam, and have V-shaped tungsten filament cathode which emits electrons upon heating. Therefore, when electrons are transmitted from the cathode, they pass through columnar aperture to the anode at high voltage with constant energy, which is efficient for focusing the specimen to produce an accurately defined image. It also has the two condenser lenses system, which works to focus the electron beam on the specimen by controlling the energy intensity and the columnar aperture of the electron gun, and, the first lens, has strong magnification, produces a smaller image of the specimen to the second condenser lens, directing the image to the objective lenses for higher magnification. Furthermore, image-producing system is made up of the objective lens, movable stage or holding the specimen, and projector lenses. The objective lens has a short focal length, and it produces an intermediate image from the condenser which transmitted to the projector lenses for magnification, and the projector lenses are two-type: intermediate lens, which allows great magnification of the image, and projector lens, which gives a generally greater magnification over the intermediate lens. Therefore, to produce efficient high-standard images, the objective and projector lenses need high power supplies with high stability for the highest standard resolution, as exhibited in the next slide. And finally, imaging recording system is made up of the fluorescent screen used to view and focus on the image. They also have digital camera that permanently records the captured images after viewing, as showed in the figure inside the slide. In abbreviate, as described above, a heated tungsten filament in the electron gun produces electrons that get focus on the specimen by the condenser lenses in the column tubes under vacuum condition. In addition, vacuum prevents the collision of electron with air to clear formed image. Furthermore, condenser lenses are used to focus the beam of electron on the specimen, and finally, the specimen scatters the electrons, focusing them on the condenser lenses, forming a large clear image. So, electrons are easily absorbed and scattered on solid elements. Therefore, it shows poor visualization in thick specimen. Therefore, very thin specimen are used for accurate and clear visualization.